Hi guys, my name is Natalie. I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a Lady Gaga impersonator, and I'm coming to you today with this Lady Gaga Stupid Love inspired look. I have used a lot of Haus Labs products in this video and I have recreated the wig myself. I will be linking everything down below. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. I am starting off with L'Oreal's Infallible Mattifying Primer. I'm just gonna squirt a little bit all over my face and rub that in, or pat it in. Probably patting is better for your skin. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Smoothwear 24-Hour Concealer in the colour NW25, and I'm going to pop that all over my lids and under my eyes. I'm going to set that with some Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and a CO3 brush by Spectrum. I'm going to take Revlon's Blonde Colour Stay Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm just going to line underneath my brows, which I have bleached off, so I look fucking insane, but this will kind of create the line I want to follow for my eyeshadow, and that's why I'm doing it first. Just brush that upwards with an eyebrow brush. Mine is by Spectrum. I'm going to take my I Heart Revolution Unicorn's Heart palette, and in it they have two pinks. There's this iridescent pink, and then there's this kind of flat hot pink. I'm going to mostly be using this one, and then a little bit of this in the corners of my eyes and underneath my brow bone. Using my MAC 239 brush, I'm going to pack on the darker flat pink. And you want to get that like right up into your brow, like just everywhere. You also want to go underneath the eye, but quite close to the waterline. Now taking an A08 brush by Spectrum, or any kind of fluffy brush that you have, just take a little bit of the lighter iridescent pink and pop a little bit on your brow bone and in the corner. I'm now taking a sleek eyeshadow palette. This one is called Eye Divine in Storm, and I'm just going to use the black from that to outline my wing and diffuse it into the crease. You can use any black eyeshadow, this is just the one that I have. I'm going to use the Spectrum A14 brush. It's an angle brush, and I'm going to just go in and create the wing that I'd like, and then I'll just brush it into the crease. I'm going from halfway under my eye and then up to meet my eyebrow. I'm then going to go halfway into my lid and meet the wing. I'm now going to take my B04 brush and blend a little bit into the crease. Now I'm using my Haus Labs liquid eyeliner in the colour Punk, and I'm going to just follow the wing and really sharpen everything up. Just lean the pen, don't use the nib to create the line, just lean it and slide as needed, but you can do most of the work just using the side of the nib, and that will give you a much straighter line. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil. I think this one's by L'Oreal, but it's rubbed off, so I'm not entirely sure. But whichever one you've got is fine. And then I'm just going to line the inner corner to the halfway point. And now I'm taking a black kohl eyeliner and I'm just going to do the outer corner to the halfway point. Now I'm just going to tightline a little bit. Now I'm going to take the House Labs Glam Attack liquid powder, and I'm going to use the colour Aphrodite and go right into the inner corners of my eyes to really lift them out. Now for foundation, I'm using Dream Satin Liquid by Maybelline in the colour True Beige, which is number 23. Blend that out with a beauty blender. I'm taking Back to Bronze by L'Oreal and an A05 brush, and I'm going to contour my cheeks, under my chin, my jawline and my forehead and temples. So for the cheeks I kind of tense my mouth so that I can see the line that I want to go to. And I also lift up from the underneath the chin to meet that line for the cheekbone. For my nose contour, I'm going to use a B06 blending brush, and I'm going to come down from the eyebrow to the tip of the nostril and then create like an M on the top and a little line in the middle. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush in the colour Rose Gold and my A04 brush by Spectrum. I'm going to do my blusher. I'm going to do a bit on the apples, mostly concentrating it on the high point of the cheekbone. I'm going to take a bit of that blusher and come up into the temple and above the arch of my brow. Going back to my House Labs Glam Attack in Aphrodite, I'm going to use this as a highlighter on the high points of my cheeks, my chin and a tiny bit on my nose. I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I'm going to set all of that with my Stay Matte powder. So now for the face stuff, I don't know what you call it, the bits that you stick on your face. What I did was I bought some origami paper in it came in a pack of different iridescent colours and it had this pink. And I used a ballpoint pen. I'm going to show you what I did with a Sharpie just so you can see it, but I actually used a ballpoint pen to do this so that it didn't affect the other side of the paper, this side, it didn't show through. I drew on the reverse side all of the shapes that I wanted by measuring it against my head and seeing where I wanted things to go. For example, the eyes, I put it right up into my eye socket and I marked out where my eyebrow was and where the under eye was. And then for the circle logo, I just drew the shape on the reverse side and traced it through onto the correct side so that it looked like this. And then I cut everything out. And I'm going to stick all of this down with some lash duo in the clear colour, the white colour that turns clear. So here's my lash duo. I'm just going to put a blob on each one, make sure it's in the right spot, and then let it get a bit tacky before I apply it to my face. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply my mascara. I'm using the double extension by L'Oreal, but I'm only going to use the black side. Which is fine when I use the white side, it goes a little bit claggy and clumpy. Now I'm going to use my Mink Wispies by Ardell, and I'm just going to pop my eyelashes on with the black lash duo. So you just want to grab the eyelash with some tweezers and run it through the black lash duo. and then wait for it to get a bit tacky, and you'll notice it's tacky because the colour will change from a grey to like a darker grey, but not black, because when it's black it's completely dry. You want to look down into a mirror so you expose your entire lid, and then you just want to drop the lashes on top in the middle and then pull them from one side to the next. I'm just going to use the same concealer and just conceal over my lip line and pat that in to create a base. My lips are very moisturised and I've removed the dead skin as well, so that is, I get really dry lips. So for the products that we're going to be using, you really need to make sure that every bit of dead skin is gone and there's a lot of moisture in there. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner in the colour 285 Pink Fever, and I'm just going to line within my lip line. Then I'm just going to fill all of that in. Now for this look, Gaga actually used her House Labs matte lip crayon in the colour Hot Rod. Unfortunately that's not available in England at the moment, and to get it shipped from America or wherever it's being held to England would have taken in excess of 10 days. So I have got a comparable product that is the same price point as hers, but I'm not going to say what it is because for you to recreate this look it would be better to get her product, and I'm sure it'll be available worldwide very soon. You'll get more accurate results than I will using this similar product. And now I'm going to use Aphrodite again in my Cupid's bow to highlight just there. And now for the wig, I have created this myself. It will be available on my Etsy store. It is a lace front pink high ponytail wig with violet lowlights. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link everything down below in the description box, including where to get this wig and what I used to create the face stickies. I absolutely love the song, I love the video, I love all of the looks, I love the makeup, I love everything about it. Like, I could not wait to hear some pop bangers from Gaga, and it's come and it's here, and I am just so excited for this new era. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and any feedback would be much appreciated. I do try and get back to all comments left for me. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah!